Hi. Previously, we discussed who invented the railway as such. 1825, George Stephenson. First commercial ride. Then we had discussion how to stop the train safely. 1869, George Westinghouse, using compressed air within the rubber line that comes from the locomotive below each and every car. Drop of the pressure, then triggering the braking system. Now we would discuss how not to collide the two trains going into opposite directions. How not to collide. At the very beginning of the railway history, it's been a huge problem. How to avoid collisions. Now we would discuss how to do it. Namely using token. Physical object. Let's imagine, for example, London, single line, railway line up to, say, Oxford, and we have a train starting from London, cars, and we have a train starting from Oxford with cars. They are obviously supposed to be collided. How to solve this problem? Of course, the very first solution is not to let this train go. Then we have simply one train going this direction, then vice versa. But to make it comfortable, easier, safer, and first economical for the user of this line, it has been obvious to start that train and that train simultaneously and somehow try to avoid the collision. How to do it? Very easily, using a token. Namely, the driver that starts from London he, within his cabin, has a simple physical object, a token, say golden token within his cabin. And here in Oxford, we have also the driver, cars, and he is starting his journey to London. This one starting his journey to Oxford on a single line. At midday, both of them. This one in this direction and this one in this direction. Somewhere between the line, there is a border line. Where we call it golden section, this one, and this section, for example, silver section. The driver here, had in hand, he grabbed within his cabin golden token. The driver here had in cabin silver token. This driver here has been 100% sure that he is the owner and only one user of this line from here to here. This token allows him to travel fastest possible on this line and only within this zone, this section, this area. Driver with golden token has been authorized to run full speed only within this and his area. within this section. When both of them arrives at the end of this section, then we have a junction. They both stop and exchange tokens. The one that goes into the golden line, golden section, leaves his silver token here, and the one that goes from golden area into silver area leaves his golden token here and obtains silver token. That one leaves silver token and obtains golden token. So they both exchange tokens. And once again, this one, which started from London, now being here, is 100% sure that he is the only owner and only user within this area of this line, and vice versa. The one who started from Oxford and now entered the area, having the golden token, is 100% sure that he is the only one user of this area, and he might go with full speed to London. Then come back, once again, into cross-section. So idea to use a token was a physical object which has been in use within particular zones, particular sections, and nowhere else. What was the advantages and disadvantages? Disadvantages: very slow, not effective. Always driver from one section must have been waiting for the driver from the other section. What are the advantages? 100% pure, sure certainty that no one else is traveling on my section. Simple as that. If I'm having the golden token, I'm the only user within this section. No one is allowed to enter. And exactly the same within the silver area. I am having the silver token, the only user in this section. I can go with fastest possible speed. I'm the only user of this section. Till the end or the beginning. Thank you very much.